If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos.
So in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to IoT Insights. IoT Insights is our Node-RED platform that runs on our IoT controller. I'm going to show you how to install IoT Insights, the dashboard and the rules, show you how to configure IoT Insights, give you an overview of the dashboard, and we're going to install a device, so I'm going to give you a quick demo. So if you remember from my last video, I went through configuring the evaluation kit. And so what I did was I installed the IoT controller, and that's at IP address 192.168.88.67. I installed Virtual Smart Zone and onboarded a R510 access point. Then I went back to the IoT controller and I installed one IoT device. It's a door sensor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the rules, our IoT Insights platform. So I go to Admin and Rules Backup, upload rules. Okay, so the rules have been uploaded successfully. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring up the dashboard. So when I bring up the dashboard, the system builder comes up, and I'm going to start entering information. The first is the Node-RED URL, which by the way is the IP address of the Node-RED controller. Password. This is the IP address of the VMS, which is the same IP address of the NUC. And we're using the VMS by IP configure. No need to enter the username and password for the IP configure VMS. These are some thresholds for triggers. I'm going to leave these alone. Same with Google and SMS alarms. I'm not really using them right now. Next is the system region settings. I'm going to set that to US and time zone, America, New York. These are some color settings. I'm going to leave these alone. These are for our temperature measurements. I'm going to just make sure we are in Fahrenheit. Save that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to onboard that door sensor into our IoT Insights platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a location. And I'm just going to call this lab. Put in some information here for the site. US. Floor 1. So I'm going to add that location. Okay, so now I've got a location. So the next thing that I am going to do is I am now going to add that device. Remember, we onboarded a door sensor onto the IoT controller. So I'm going to bring that into the system. It's door 01. It's the manufacturer is Samsung, and it's in my lab. This is the video preview for the camera. Set that at 5 seconds. Put in a device type, which is a door window contact sensor. Add that. And finish that. So you can see the device showed up here. So the next thing I could do is I can open up that door sensor. And you can see that a couple things happened here. The sensor was triggered. This went red. The event went into our database, and it's noted right here. So now I'm going to close the sensor. You can see it all goes away, went back green. So that's just an example of bringing in a door sensor into our IoT Insights platform.